Today we are going to make a very tasty and smooth pudding recipe with leftover bread and custard and caramel sauce. This creamy custard recipe is equally enjoyed by kids and grown-ups too. So before we start with the recipe, if you are watching the channel for the first time, hit the red subscribe button below the video and please hit the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my future recipe. So for this recipe, I am taking 1/4 cup of sugar, to which I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of water. And then I have to melt this sugar in such a way that it turns a little brown in color, and this is called caramelizing of sugar. And all this is done in low flame. Slowly you can see the sugar has started changing its color. Make sure you stir continuously till the sugar turns golden brown like this. And then you can pour this golden brown caramelized sugar into a bowl, in which you will be pouring your dessert. So once you pour the caramel syrup into the bowl, just swirl around so the caramelized layer is coated well around the walls of the bowl too. Now take 3 slices of bread and trim the edges and add the bread slice into the mixie jar and pulse it into crumbs, and make sure to pulse and blend and not to make a paste out of it. So next step is to take 4 tablespoons of custard powder, to this add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix the custard powder well with the milk so that it blends well and there is no lump in this mixture. It should be a uniform, smooth and silky mixture like this. So the next step is to take 2 cups of milk in a wide open pan. To this I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less sugar according to your preference. And cook it in a medium flame until the milk thickens. Once the milk starts boiling a little, add the custard paste. So once you add the custard paste, make sure you stir it well, because the milk starts to thicken very soon, and keep stirring so that there is no lump formation in your custard. Once your milk is thickened a little, then start adding the breadcrumbs little by little, and don't forget to stir it continuously so that the custard is thickened uniformly. Once you've finished adding all the breadcrumbs, Cook the mixture until you get a super creamy and thick mixture. And make sure you add breadcrumbs little by little. In this way there will be no lump formation and your custard will be very smooth and creamy. Once it thickens completely, now it's time for you to serve the mixture in your caramelized bowl. Once you pour the mixture in the caramelized bowl, make sure you press with the spoon and flatten it, and then cover it with an aluminium foil. Cover it tightly so that water doesn't enter inside the pudding when we steam it. Now take 1 cup of water. Here I don't have a ring, so I'll just place a idli plate as a base, and on top of which I'll be placing my bowl of caramelized sugar and custard, and I'll be steaming it for 30 minutes. So once it's cooked for 30 minutes, you have to cool the complete thing for 1 hour. You can place it in the fridge and cool it for 1 hour, and then later take and release the sides either with spoon or with a knife, and then you can easily invert it and unmold the pudding. Now you can enjoy the soft and smooth and very fluffy caramel custard pudding is ready. So you can enjoy it. Hope you like the recipe. If you have liked the recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And all your feedbacks are very precious. Do mention it in my comment section. Bye and thank you till we meet next time.